Hello everyone, welcome back with the last regular Sudoku. It will be a Sudoku mix, aka a killer Sudoku, in Japanese Suguru, in today's newspaper of Wednesday, still Wednesday, November the 25th, 2020. We have here a beautiful Sudoku mix, and this will be a number 1933. Alright, so let's get started. And let me scan this Sudoku. I see here a big square with only one sharing box. Here also one sharing box. Here the middle big square with two sharing boxes. Alright, so I can start to count all these digits, because a big square, the total sum of a big square is 45. The total sum of a column is 45. The total sum of a row is 45. So 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. 20 plus 15 is 35. 35 plus 7 is equal to 42. 45 minus 42 is a 3. That means those two boxes, in this triple box of 11, those two boxes together will be an 8. Alright. Same like here. 9 plus 13 is equal to 22. Plus 4 is 26. 26 plus 15 will be 41. 45 minus 41 is a 4. That means in this triple box of 21, those two boxes together are 17 plus 4 is equal to 21. Alright. My second strategy is to find boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 4, the only combination for the box of 4 is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. The box of 17, the only combination for box of 17 is 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. The box of 4 again, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Then we need to find 3 here. Alright, in this box, 3 boxes left: box of 9, box of 13, box of 15. One of the missing numbers is a 9. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 9, otherwise 9 plus 0, 0 is not allowed. So the 9 could be in the box of 13 or in the box of 15. If I place the 9 in the box of 13, then the combination will be 9 plus 4. 4 is already used in this big square, so the 9 cannot be in the box of 13. So it must be 9 plus 6 in the box of 15. One of the missing numbers is an 8 in this big square. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 9, because then the combination will be 8 plus 1. The 1 is already used in the box of 4. So the 8 should be in the box of 13. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So 2 boxes left for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Alright. 6. Alright, I see here 2 rows with only one sharing box. Yeah. Look, 3 and 1. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Ah, the box of 16. Only one combination for the box of 16. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. These two boxes together is 10. This triple box of 13. 10 plus 3 is 13. Alright. The box of 5. There are two combinations for the box of 5. 4 plus 1 or 2 plus 3. The 3 is already used, so it's 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 1 plus 9. 1, 1. Alright. We have 3 in one of those two boxes, in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 3 in a box of 6, otherwise double 3 is not allowed. Double. So the 3 should be in the box of 10. The combination here will be 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3. Now we have a 7 in this row, the first row, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 7. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, this could be also a 7. Okay, so we have a 7. This cannot be a 7. I need to wait. 8, 9 plus 1, 9. Here. We have here 17. Those two boxes together, 17. That means the only combination for the 17 is 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. So we have a 9 in this row. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 7. And this should be a 9. 2 and 7. 2, 5, 5, 5. 5, 1. 2, 5, and 6. 6 cannot be here. Yeah. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. The 2 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6. And I cannot place the 6 in the box of 6. Otherwise 6 plus 0 is not allowed. The 0 is not allowed. Also, the 2 cannot be here. So the 2 and the 6 cannot be in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Here the combination will be 5 plus 1. So the 2 and the 6 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those 2 and 6. 1, 2, 3. I'm missing the 4 in this first row, 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 could be here, could be there. The combination here will be 4 plus 6 plus 3 is 13. So 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6. So the 6 we have in one of those two boxes in this row. So this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 9. Now we have a 5 there. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be an 8. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 2. The combination here will be 2 plus 8. Here the combination in the box of 9 will be 6 plus 3. 1 box left in this second row for the number 9. The combination here in the box of 14 will be 9 plus 5. Alright, so 1 box left, 4 and 6. This should be a 2. 2 2, 2, yes. So those two boxes together will be 12, alright. 8 could be here, 7, alright, 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. Only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 12, otherwise 1 plus 11 will be the solution. 11 is not allowed, so the 1 should be in the box of 8. 1 plus 7 will be the combination. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 7. Could be here, could be there. And together with the 7, it must be 12. So 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 14. Alright, 7 and a 5. So the 8 could be here or there. We see here an 8 in this column. So no 8 in those two boxes. So the 8 should be here in the box of 10. 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2. 7 plus 5. So the other pair should be 6 plus 4. And these two boxes in this column are the 2 and the 5 are missing. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. 2 boxes left. The box of 12, box of 15. The 9. I cannot place one of the missing number in this big square is 9. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 12, otherwise the combination will be 9 plus 3. The 3 is already used, so the 9 should be in the box of 15. 9 plus 6 will be the solution. We see here 9 in this row, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 6. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 8 and the 4. We have an 8 in this column, so this cannot be an 8. This should be the 8, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be a 6. Alright. 1 and 9. And let me see. 6 and 2. 6 will be here. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 8. 9. Let me think. 9, 8 is 7. Yeah, 7. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. Can I place the 7 in the box of 10? No, then the combination will be 7 plus 3. The 3 is already used, so the 7 could be here or could be there. I cannot place a 7 in the box of 6, otherwise 7 minus 1. Minus 1 is not allowed, so the 7 should be here. And together those two boxes should be an 8, so this should be a 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Alright. So now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 4. Yes. In this column, one of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in those two boxes. So the 1 should be in the box of 10. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the combination will be a 9. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be an 8. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. Then the combination will be 4 plus 2 in the box of 6. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 5. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so on the last row. The only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, so the 4 should be in one of those two boxes. So together, this triple box of 11, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 1. I need a 1 here, yes. 4 and a 1. So we have a 1 in this row, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 7. 2 boxes left in the last row for the numbers 5 and 3. Let me mark those, 3 and 5. Then. How about, I need a 9 in this big square. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in those 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. And I cannot place a 9 in the box of a 9. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the first column, so the column between. Only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, so the 9 should be in a box of 13. I see there 9, so no 9 there, so the 9 should be there. The combination will be 9 plus 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 3. Then 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number here is a 3 in the first column. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. This triple box of 17, 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. 1 box left in this column for the number 8. In the box of 14, the combination will be 8 plus 6. 3 boxes left, the 1, the 2, and the 7. The 7 I cannot place in the box of 7, so the 7 should be in the box of 8. The combination will be 7 plus 1. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. The combination here in the box of 7 will be 2 plus 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be a 3. 1 box left in this column, the third column. This should be the number 8. The combination here in the box of 11 will be 8 plus 3. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 7 and the 2. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. No, 5 we have, 6 is missing. The combination here in the box of 14 will be 6 plus 8. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 6. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this can be 7 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be a 5. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be a 2. 9 and an 8, 7 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and an 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 5 and 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. All right, great. Killer Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Thank you again, and bye bye for now.